This training program is designed to deliver a comprehensive and impactful learning experience. We have the diversified training arrangements, combine the theoretical concepts with the professional methodologies and practical simulation experience to ensure a well-rounded learning journey.
We have arranged the whole course from the DMR to Tetra and also the POC as well as solutions. Every very important product we have involved in these courses.
So to me, what motivated me to join this program in Hytera was the opportunity to grow, to better myself, and be part of the global family.
Engaging, we were always, during the training, we were always engaging with the teachers in questions, in doing demos and a lot of hands-on trainings.
Estar hoje aqui na China é uma experiência única, é extremamente enriquecedor. É uma experiência enriquecedora tanto pessoalmente quanto profissionalmente.
Tetra training was great. The instructor, especially to meeting many guys we just chat, but we not meeting personally, was amazing. This will increase a lot our knowledge, our experience, and of course we will share with our local customers.
I think I'm already done in the last couple of days. That I try and I've been speaking in the front of top global professional. I think I'm able to do that and I'm ready for the competition for the global level.
At Hytera, we believe our employees are our greatest asset. Investing in talents isn't just a priority, it's the foundation of everything we do.